Hello everyone, welcome back to T's Family channel. Today is my weekly update. Here is my lettuce. I think these are the giant Caesar, and this is how it's grown up into now. I think I need to pot them again. And down here is my little James. I think 7 of them is died, and up here they die a few of them, but I can't keep up with it. I think I have 35, but now it's not 35. I didn't count, but I count the one down here. And that one is my gourmet plant. I was about to pot them, but I didn't have a chance because in the straight like 7 or 8 days, it's raining, and it's still raining now. See, those are my spinach from scrap food. I need to pot them too. And over here is my lettuce that I saw in March. I can't remember the day now. It's suffering with aphids, but I almost get rid of them. But look at how much they kill my lettuce. I used, last time I said that I used Epsom salt and then used the diatomaceous earth flour, but it didn't work, So last 4 or 5 days I keep spraying the neem oil that I bought at Home Depot, and it did help a little bit, but it does take time, So right here, that one right there. So you put the spray into this option. Yeah, this one, so it spray harder, so actually you can spray and get rid of the aphids. So the other one is so smooth, so it didn't help, So this one is so smooth, the stream is so smooth, it didn't spray the aphids off the lettuce. So choose the one that just have 2. Yeah, this one is stronger. So when you spray it, the aphids is fall off right away. That's the ant. I have the ant bat here, but it did help a little bit, not much, Look, I almost can control them now. I almost get rid of them now. So just need time, Take at least if as soon as you see it. Oh, here we go. This one right here. There. If you see one of them, just get rid of them right away. Just buy the neem oil right away and spray it every day. Every day, once every day. Okay, let's go out to my greenhouse. My tomatoes is start turning colors now. It has been raining a lot lately, so I gotta be careful because of the water snake. Because right behind here is the bayou. We live in Texas, so there's a lot of flooding. So we have to be careful about with the water snakes. Some of them is venomous and some of them is non-venomous, but it's scary. It's raining. But as you can see that this tomato is starting turning color. Look at that. That's so pretty. So they're getting bigger, you guys. There. I do get a lot of them. and they start and grow taller as well. As now you can see that one is reached 6 feet already, and this one is about to reach 6 feet too. Their vine is start their main body is, I can see that they are thicker, you know. So this one, oh, look at the root system. This one, I need to add more soil, but it's raining too much, so it's so wet out here, and I kind of scared of all the bugs and insects, you know. So that keep me not doing it. Look at this. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, look at this. Oh my gosh. 5, 6, 7. 6 right there and 7 right here. Wow, that's a lot. Look at this. How many of them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh my Lord. I got a lot of tomatoes, you guys. And this one right here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh my God, look at that. 8, 9. Wow, look at. Let's see if I still can find more. 9 on this one, right? Wow, they are a lot now. They are touching each other now. Wow. So for this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This one have 8. Wow, I think I got the bugs that eating my leaves, you guys. Eat a lot of that leaves. Oh my God. Ay, ay, ay. Oh no. Let's see how many of tomatoes vines I got. That's 1. That's 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This one right here. Wow. This one got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9. Oh, it's raining hard, you guys. I have to go inside. You hear the raindrops? Oh my God. Wow, that's too loud. Wow. I'm inside my greenhouse right now. Some of the spots that dripping down right on my peppers. This is the gold gallery peppers. 1, 2, 3 is the dragon breath peppers. This one is gold pepper as well. And these 2 are Carolina Reapers. And this is the gourmet blend lettuce. This is Vietnamese perilla. That one is one more of the gold gathered peppers. I have 4 of them. That is Thai basil. I uppot them 4 days ago on the 20th of May, and today is May 24. That is 2 pots of cilantro that I sold 4 days ago as well. Oh, it's too loud. Oh, I'm stuck in the greenhouse. Oh. And this is my Carolina Reaper peppers. They start flowering 2 days, like yesterday I saw it. So this is one of the flower I see. Yeah. But they are growing good, you know. Oh my God! Oh, how can I get in? Ay, ay, ay. Wow, it's pouring. Wow. I'm saving my raining water so I can water my plant later. But now I don't have, ooh, wow. Now I don't have much space for them yet. They all overflow now. Oh my God. That is my cilantro and another Vietnamese perilla. They're all over the place. But my Carolina Reaper is growing good. I'm so happy to see them to this stage, you know. Oh my God. This is the one in my, one tomato in my greenhouse. Let's see how many of them, huh? This is 1, this is 2. Right there, out there. You see it? 3. 1, 2, 3. This is 4. The single tomato. 4. This is 5. 6 down here. So 7. So at least one of my tomato gets 7 vines of tomato. Oh my God. The rain needs to go right away really bad because I need to taking care of my tomato. I haven't trimming down or taking care of the tomato suckers. But that is all for my weekly update. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's going down a little bit now, so I need to get in. Ooh! Ay, ay, ay. Oh, the water, it get into this much in my house. The rain is going down. That is my bitter melons right there. It's doing good. It's climbing. It's climbing to that much already. So that is all my update. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe to my channel to see my update every week on Monday or Tuesday. Thank you. Bye-bye. See you next week.